Today we are in Bruford Drive to see this 6 double bedroom detached property set over 3 floors. You've got an amazing kitchen diner with kitchen island with double doors opening onto a low maintenance garden. You've got double garage with 4 car parking spaces in front, toilets and bathrooms on almost every floor. It is a treat. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. Okay, so hopefully you like what you've seen. Obviously double garage and parking here as I'm walking. If you'd like to view the property or would like any more information, give me a call, give me a text, drop me an email. If you'd like me to value your home, then I'd love that too. Hope to speak to you soon. Thanks so much.